Alright guys, let's make some good rustic artisan bread, and you're not going to need a Dutch oven for this one. Alright, so we're going to start with 3 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt just for some flavour, and we're going to put in a ½ teaspoon of yeast. Give it a good stir through, and then we're going to add 1½ cups of hot water. Hot, not boiling, but as hot as it comes out of the tap. Give it a really good mix up with a wooden spoon, just like this. When you've done mixing it, it'll be really sticky dough. Cover it with some cling wrap, and then we're going to set this aside for anywhere from 2 to 5 hours. Just let it rise on its own. We're going to remove that cling wrap. We're going to flour our work surface, just like this. Remove the dough from the bowl onto that floured work surface. And then grab, if you have a bench scraper or a big spatula or something like that, get the dough and just fold it over onto itself 2 or 3 times. You don't have to really work this too much, just do what I'm doing here, just fold it over just like that. Okay, so we're going to form the dough into a ball, and we're going to grab ourselves a clean bowl, just drizzle a little olive oil in, and then we're going to move that ball of dough back into the bowl. Light drizzle of olive oil on the top, and I normally just turn mine over so that it's got a nice olive oil coating all the way around. Cover the dough with a damp tea towel, and then we're going to let that sit and rise for about ½ an hour while the oven heats up. Heat the oven to 425 and then move the dough onto a parchment lined baking sheet, score the top with a really sharp knife, and then into the oven 425 degrees for around 30 minutes. And you will notice that I did have a bowl of water in the bottom of the oven to create some steam. Remove the bread to a wire rack and let cool for around 10 minutes. Slice off a piece, add some butter, and give it a try. It's a really great bread to have with soup. It's really crispy on the outside, nice and fluffy and soft on the inside. If you like this video, drop a comment, drop a like, and feel free to subscribe for all of our future videos.